Hello you guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Alex. Thank you for being here. So today's vlog is really all about just romanticizing my life and just loving myself to the fullest, and I really hope that you guys also implement this into your lives as well. But yeah, I made my bed, I put some makeup on, and I'm gonna go out and get myself a little treat, and I think that also I'm gonna pick up some flowers for myself. But yeah, I just figured that this vlog will be all about just chill, just taking the day as it comes, enjoying the day, and I figured I'd bring you guys along. So go ahead and get cozied up, grab a blanket, grab a snack, a drink, and we're just gonna have a chill day. We're gonna hang out together, and yeah, let's go. So this is what the flowers look like, guys. I love it so much. I think it just added an extra touch to the baby's breath that I already had in there. But yeah, look how pretty. And then I wanted to show you guys, I have another chair here. I don't know if you remember my old vlogs, but I only had the one chair and the little stool next to it. And a couple weeks ago, I went to Ross and I found another chair there. And if you know Ross, you have to buy it like on the spot because it won't be there the next day, you know? But yeah, this is what my little bay window area looks like right now. It's not 100% complete, guys, but I am loving it so far. I think it's so cute. So now that the roses are all in the vase, I think y'all know what time it is. I think I'm gonna game, you guys. I really want to make like a summer mood board and fill it up with activities to do this summer, like the vibe that I want the summer to be. So yeah, I feel like that would be really fun. So yeah, I'm gonna play some games. Okay, y'all, so I was gonna make grilled cheese and tomato soup because that is like my comfort meal, but I actually think that I want Chinese food, so I'm gonna put in a takeout order to go pick up some Chinese food. And then while I'm waiting for that, I'm gonna clean my mirrors in my bathroom because they're pretty dirty. So yeah, I'm gonna clean those mirrors real quick and then I'm gonna go get the Chinese food. Okay, y'all, so I just finished eating dinner and I'm so excited to take this bath. I've been looking forward to this bath like all day. But first I'm gonna take off the makeup that I've been wearing all day. I got a couple of skincare items that I wanted to use while I'm in the bath, and the first one is this rubber mask. I know it looks kind of funny, but I've used the collagen one before and I loved it. So today we're gonna try the vitamin C one. Got these pore strips for your nose. Y'all, kind of bought this just because it was cute, but we're gonna use this as well. And yeah, so I'm gonna take off my makeup and then we can get to the fun stuff like the bubble bath and putting these pretty roses in the bath as well. While this sits on my nose for 10 minutes, I'm gonna fill up the bath just because it takes a long time to fill up, and we'll get it all ready. So I just got out of my bath and it was so relaxing, y'all. The mask left my skin like so glowy. If you ever go to Marshall's, look for that one because it's good stuff. It's like 11:30 now. It's really late. So I think I'm gonna end off the night by reading a chapter of my book just to wind my mind down and not be by any electronics. So I'm gonna read a chapter of my book and I'm gonna call it a night and go to sleep.